This is a well-proportioned 3-bedroom terrace property being sold with no chain. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Now I'ma put it down like that. I'm leaving, I ain't coming back. You don't like the way I act anyway. You really don't have to react. Don't try to change my mind, in fact. Honey, I've already packed all my stuff. We're no longer kids, let's move on. And you are not my kid.
If you're interested in this property or indeed a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.
Sorry boy, I can't be the one. You